Hello lovely people, you are welcome to my kitchen. Today on our challenge we are going to have some sumptuous coconut flour pancake with some green tea. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, share the video, like and leave a comment. Okay, so let's see the things you are going to use. Coconut flour, this is homemade. You can check the description side for how to make your own coconut flour at home. Some vanilla flavor, salt solution, sweetness, and eggs. And for our tea, we are also going to add lemon to our green tea. And so this is what we are going to do. We are going to crack our eggs, and then we are going to add the sweetener to it. I just used one sweetener. We'll give it a bit of salt solution and our vanilla flavor, then whisk everything together very well. My dear, if you are just joining us, we have all the challenge over there from day one to the current one. So all that you need to do is to just watch those videos and start practicing. Add exercise to it, drink a lot of water, and you will definitely get them. So you don't need a lot of salt, just a drop of it. Because of the coconut flour, if you use a lot of salt, it's going to be salty for you. So just a drop will be okay. Okay, so whisk everything together very well and get that consistency before we will add our coconut flour to it. And so, as I said, exercise is very important. And so if you really want to get a great effect on keto and a quick one, add exercise to it. At least 30 minutes a day won't be bad at all. And so we have to mix everything very well. Coconut flour pancake is one of the things you would love to have on keto diet. The taste is so great and awesome. So give it a try and you will not regret. And so let's mix everything together. We will also add a bit or half teaspoon of baking powder to it and mix it together very well to get it smooth and well mixed together. Okay, so please, if you are just joining, start watching the videos and be practicing and you will definitely get there. We have our oil already on fire and it's warm, so just drop in 1 ladle of our mixture and then we'll cover it and allow it to cook on a low heat. Yes, so at this time we are going to check on our pancake so far. And so this is it. Yes, so I'm trying to get the oil everywhere. We'll cover for some few minutes and also check again. Yes, so our pancake is done. We are going to fry another one. This is the last one I'm going to fry. And so this one we are going to cover and give it time for it to cook. And so my dear, please don't give up on keto. We have been on this diet for at least 2 weeks now, and if you are really doing it, you can testify that there are some changes here and there. Okay, so this is the second batch and we are almost done with it. Yes, oh yes. So as I always do, I add lemon to my green tea, and so I'm adding lemon. Then I'll add my sweetener to it. I use 2 sweeteners. Then I'll also top it with water and then stir everything together. So I've already added water to it. Okay, so this is it for today. This is so okay for me today. One may say, how can I do OMAD with just green tea and 2 pieces of pancakes? But one thing is with keto, when you start keto afresh, that is when you feel hungry the more. But with time, you realize that just a little, you are okay, you won't be able to eat much, you don't feel hungry. But hey, if you take this and you are hungry, just get some boiled egg and eat and you'll be okay. Snack on something keto. Don't just take anything which isn't keto. And so we are going to cut into a pancake to see how it looks like. Very nice. The taste is so great, sumptuous, and you really would love to taste this. Try this and let me know how it went for you, and you will testify that this recipe is so great. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, share the video, like, and leave a comment, and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.
Say me straight, the one ya mama. I saw me booty. My name say, hey ya me na don't say. Say me straight, say to name, and you